Good morning students. Next we are going to discuss about example sum 8.5. The amount of rainfall in a particular season for 6 days. The amount of rainfall in a particular season for 6 days they are given. They are given 17.8 centimeter, 19.2 centimeter, 16.3 centimeter, 12.5 centimeter, 12.8 centimeter and 11.4 centimeter. Find its standard deviation. Find its standard deviation. Okay, so first of all, in before we saw that method, x value they are given, you have to find out the x square. Now we are going to see that using the mean method how to find out the standard deviation. Okay, one sum I will teach one method. Finally, which method is easy, you will use that method. Okay, so first of all, you have to arrange the numbers in an ascending order. Okay, so arrange the numbers in ascending order: 11.4, 12.5, 12.8, 16.3, 17.8, 19.2. So here number of deviation, that means small n. How many numbers of observation is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of observations. Okay, n is equal to 6. So here we got to find out the mean x bar is equal to, what is the formula for mean x bar? Sum of x. That means summation of x means you have to add all those x values. So summation of x by n. How many? Number of observation. Okay, so 11.4, 12.5, 12.8, 16.3, 17.8, 19.2 by 6. So you have to add all those values. You have to add all those values: 11.4, 12.5, 12.8, 16.3, 17.8, 19.2. So 8 plus 2, 10, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 26, 30, remaining 3. 4, 6, 8, 14, 14, 21, 30, remaining 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 90.0, that means 90 only. So x bar is equal to 90.6, 90 by 6. 1 6 is 6, 1 6 is 6, balance 3, 5 6 are 30. So x bar is equal to 15. So now we found the mean value. So first again I will say, first given number you have to write in ascending order. Next that given number full of you have to add by how many number of observation they are given. You have to, using that you have to divide and find out the mean. So the next x value, what are all values they are given, that is the x. 11.4, 12.5, 12.8, 16.3, 17.8, 19.8. Okay, so d, here I have to use the d value, mean method. This is the mean method. So 11.4, d is equal to x minus x bar. D value means x minus mean. Given value minus x bar value. Okay, so given value is what? 11.4 minus x bar value 15. You have to subtract these two. We will get minus 3.6. Next 12.5 minus given value 15. So minus 2.5. Next 12.8 minus given value mean value 15 minus 2.2. The next is 16.3 minus 15. So 16 minus 15, 1, 1.3. Next is 17.8 minus 15, 2.8. Next is 19.8 minus 15, 4.2. So you have to square d square value. 3.6 into 3.6. That means 36 into 36, 1296. 2 points you have to move. So listen, 36, 3.6 into 3.6. That answer is 1296. Point after one digit, point after one digit, totally 2 digit you have to move. Here also minus, there also minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, 36 36 are 1296, 2 points you have to move. So the same thing, 25 25 are 625, 2 points you have to move. 22 22 are 484, 2 points you have to move. 13 13 are 169, 2 points you have to move. 28 28 are 784, 2 points you have to move. 42 42 are 1764, 2 points you have to move. You have to add all those values, that is sum of d square. So 11, 15, 24, 28, 32, remaining 3. Okay, 12, 14, 22, 28, 34, so 3, 12, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 6, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 6, 42, remaining 4, 6, 12, next 12, 16, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 31, remaining 3, 4, 5. So 51.22. Summation of d square 51.22. The next one. So using that, what is the sigma formula? Sigma is equal to root of summation of d square by n. This is the mean method. Okay. So this is the mean method. So summation of d square value is what? 51.22 by 6. 22 by 6. You have to strike out 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 6 2s are 12. 1 2 is 2. So this divisible by 3 or not, you have to check it. 7, 12, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is not divisible. So you have to do the division. 25.613. 8 3s are 24. Balance 1. This 6 you have to drop down. Point. 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. This 1 you have to drop down. 3 3s are 9. So 2. So you have to start at root of 8.53. So square root means long division method. This is the normal division. Here you have to use the long division method. 8.53. Within the 8, what is the value? 1 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, more than. So you have to take 2 2s are 4. So 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. So this one, the same number you have to write down and add 2 plus 2, 4. The next 2 digit normal division you have to drop down 1 digit. In long division method you have to drop down 2 digit. So 4 here point is there. So within that, what's the value will come? 49 9s are whatever value we have to write here, the same value you have to write there also. 9 9s are 81, remaining 8. 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 8, 44. Okay, within that. So 9, here also 9. 441, 2, 1. So you have to stop that there. Here itself, sigma value approximately 2.9. Okay, thank you students.